Mathematics Class 8, Chapter 14, Linear Equations in One Variable, Part 1, Exercise 14a by Zainab Pohori. Let us review the concepts. Equation, a statement which states that the two algebraic expressions are equal, is called an equation. For example, each of the following algebraic expression is an equation. 7x square plus 8 equal to x minus 3. 3x minus 4y equal to 8. X minus 3 equal to 3x plus 8, and so on. Linear equation, the equation involving only one variable, that is a known variable, in the first order. It means the highest power of it is 1, called as a linear equation. For example, 3x minus 5 equal to 0, 8 minus y equal to 15, 7 plus 3z equal to 10, etc. So dear students, to solve an equation means to find the value of its variable. It may be a, b, c, d, or we can say x, y, z, etc. A linear equation has only one solution, which is called as its root. An equation remains unaltered or unchanged on adding the same number on both the sides of it, or subtracting the same number from the both sides of it, multiplying both the sides of equation by the same number, and dividing both sides of it by the same number. Dear students, let us observe this animation.
What are linear equations? A linear equation in one variable contains a single variable. Here are a few examples of linear equations in one variable.
3x minus 5 equal to 0. 8 minus y equal to 0.
A linear equation in two variables contains two variables. Here are a few examples of linear equations in two variables.
4x minus 4y equal to 8. 3x plus 4y equal to 18.
Let us view the rules for identifying linear equations. An equation will not be linear if any of the variables are in the denominator. An equation will not be linear if the variables are multiplied together. An equation will not be linear if any of the variables has a power higher than 1. Now that you've understood what linear equations in one variable are, attempt this quiz. You have to decide whether the given expression is a linear equation in one variable. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! This is not a linear equation. It has an inequality sign. A linear equation must have an equality sign. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! This is an algebraic expression, not a linear equation in one variable. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! The highest power of the variable in a linear equation is 1. In this case, the highest power of the variable x is 4. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! There is no variable in this equation. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! A linear equation does not contain a variable in the denominator. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! The terms containing the variable on both sides cancel out to leave a numerical equation. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! A linear equation does not contain a variable in the denominator. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! There are two variables in this equation. Also, a linear equation does not contain the product of two variables. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! A linear equation does not contain a variable in the denominator. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! The terms containing the variable on both sides cancel out to leave a numerical equation. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! A linear equation does not contain a variable in the denominator. Select the correct answer and click Submit. Well done! There are three variables in this equation. Also, two variables are being multiplied together. You have already learnt about the properties of equality. In this animation, you will learn how to use these properties to balance and solve equations. The two sides of equality can be compared to the two balanced pans of a weighing scale. If we add equal weights to both the pans, we observe that the pans still remain in balance. This explains the addition property of equality. Since multiplication is repeated addition, the multiplication property can be understood in a similar manner. Notice that the equality holds even when equal weights are removed from both the pans. This explains the subtraction property of equality. You also know that division is repeated subtraction, so the division property can be understood in a similar manner. Let's use these properties to solve the equation z minus 17 equals to 2. The idea is to isolate the unknown quantity z. For this, we must get rid of minus 17 from the left-hand side of the equation. To remove 17, we must inverse the operation of subtraction. That is, we add 17 to both sides of the equation. This gives us z equal to 19. This is in accordance with the addition property of equality. We can check this solution by substituting z equal to 19 in the equation. If left-hand side is equal to right-hand side, we know that the solution is correct for the given equation. Let's look at the equation m by 2 equals 3 by 4. To isolate the variable m, we have to inverse the operation of division by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. This gives us m is equal to 3 by 2. This is in accordance with the multiplication property of equality. Let's check the solution by substituting the value of m in the equation. We observe that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, we can say that the solution of the given equation is correct. In this equation, we will be required to use two properties of equality. First, by property of subtraction, we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Since we are subtracting the same number from both sides of the equality, the equation remains balanced. Next, using division property of equality, we get 1u is equal to 8. This can be verified by substituting the value of u in the given equation. As both the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal, the solution for u is true.
Let us move now to the exercise 14a. In this, question is given, solve the given equations. So here is the first question, 20 plus 6 plus 2x. Here we have to solve the equation. It means we need to find out the value of unknown term. In order to get the value of 2x, we need to transpose this 6 on the opposite side. Or you can say in other words like that. If suppose here we will subtract the 6, then we will get the value of 2x. Here 6 is added to the 2x, so its opposite operation is to subtract. And that is why we will subtract the 6 from here. Since the both sides are equal, this is the given equation, means what we will do on the left side, the same we have to do on the right side. Or what we will do on the right side, the same we have to do on the left side. So, for finding out the value of 2x, we will transpose the plus 6 from here to there. So, on transposing, it will become minus 6. 2x is equal to 20 minus 6 is equal to 14. As we need to find out the value of x, we don't want this 2 here. So it is multiplied by 2. It's the opposite operation, that is the divide by 2. So finally we get the value of x as 7. This is the solution of this expression. Now let's move for the next example. Example 3. 3x plus 2 upon x minus 6 equal to negative 7. Since we need to find out the value of unknown term, we need to transpose this denominator from the left side to the right side. Means it is divided by x minus 6, we will multiply by x minus 6, or we will transpose this whole expression on the opposite side. So we get here 3x plus 2 equal to negative 7 multiplied by x minus 6. Let us open the bracket. In the next step we write here 3x plus 2 equal to negative 7 into x is negative 7x. Negative into negative, positive. 7 6 are 42. Since we need to find out unknown terms, like terms we will take together. So 2 we will transpose here and negative 7x we will transpose there. So it will become 3x. This is plus, it will become minus negative 7x. And here 42, this is called plus 2, it will become minus 2. 3x, negative sign is out of the bracket, this will become positive 7x. So 3x plus 7x is equal to 10x. So the next step here, 42 minus 2 is equal to 40. Since we need to find out value of x, we will take here 10x divided by 10. So in the opposite side, that is on the right hand side also, 40 divided by 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 40. 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10. So finally we get here. So therefore value of x is equal to 4. The solution of this expression is 4. Dear friends, let's move the next example. For this, question number 5, 3 into b minus 4 equal to 2 into 4 minus b. We will first simplify this on opening up the bracket. So 3 into b, 3b minus 3 4s are 12 equal to 4 2s are 8 and minus 2b. We will transpose this here and 12 over there. So 3b, it will become minus 2b will become plus 2b. And here 8 minus 12 will become plus 12. 2b plus 3b is equal to 5b. And 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So therefore 5b upon 5, I am dividing this both, 20 upon 5. As we divided here by 5, to remove the 5 from the b, 5b, we will divide on opposite side also. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Therefore, value of b is equal to 4 as a solution of the expression. Now, 7th question. X minus 8 upon 5 equal to x minus 12 upon 9. In order to simplify this, we will transpose this denominators to the opposite sides. So here, this is divided by 9. On transposing, it will become multiplied by 9. This is divided by 5. On transposing, it will become multiplied by 5. So therefore, x minus 8 multiplied by 9 equal to x minus 12 multiplied by 5. Let us simplify by multiplying. 9 into x is equal to 9x minus 9 8s are 72. And here 5 into x is 5x minus 5 12s are 60. We will transpose the like terms together. So here minus 72x, this will become plus 60 and equal to 5x minus 9x. Negative 72 plus 60 is equal to negative 12 equal to negative 4x. We want to find out value of x. So this negative 4 is multiplied to the x. We will transpose it. So value of x is equal to negative 12 upon negative 4. Negative, negative, positive, and 12 upon 4 is 3. Solution of expression here, the value of x is equal to 3. So here we go with the 10th example. 3x upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 x minus 20 equal to x upon 4 plus 32. Let us simplify this one. So 1 upon 4 will multiply to the each term of the bracket. As a result, we get here negative 1 upon 4 into x is equal to x upon 4. Negative 1 upon 4 multiplied by 20 is equal to plus 20 upon 4. And the remaining expression we write as it is. On the right hand side, here LCM is 4. X plus 32 into 4. And the common denominator we write as 4. This 4 we will transpose on opposite side. So it will become multiplied by 4. So in the next step, 3x minus x plus 20, that is 2x plus 20 and x plus 128 as a product of 32 and 4 is 128. 2x minus x, this x we will transpose, it is plus x, here it will become minus x equal to 128 minus 20. So finally 2x minus x is equal to x and 128 minus 20 is equal to 108. Let's turn to the next example. Next example is 12th example. X upon 3 minus 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 4x upon 9 minus 2x upon 3. Here we will convert this into the improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, that is 5 upon 2. X upon 3 minus 5 upon 2 equal to 4x upon 9 minus 2x upon 3. Both sides we will take LCM. So LCM of the left hand side is 6 and LCM of right hand side is 9. X upon 3 will multiply by 2 to the numerator as well as denominator minus 5 upon 2 will multiply by the 3 to the numerator as well as denominator. Here 4x upon 9 minus 2x upon 3, we will multiply by 3 to the both numerator and denominator. So as a result of this, we get here 2x minus 15 upon 6 equal to 4x minus 6x upon 9. Now, this denominators we will transpose. So this will become, here it is divided by, it will become multiplied by. And this 6 is here divided by, it will become multiplied by. Therefore, in the next step we get here 9 into 2x minus 15 equal to 4x minus 6x into 6. On opening the bracket we get here 18x minus 135 equal to minus 12x. Now, for finding out the value of x, we will take the like terms together. So 18x, this minus 12x will become plus 12x equal to 135. Minus 135 on transposing will become plus 135. 18x plus 12x is equal to 30x. So x is equal to 135 divided by 30. By dividing, we get 9 upon 2 as the value of x. We can write it in the mixed fraction form as 4 times 1 upon 2, or we can also represent value of x as 4.5. I hope you understand this exercise. Solve the remaining examples.